introducing our second new piece of equipment. This is the SPARC Trainer. So the SPARC Trainer is going to be similar to kind of an elliptical, except we're not going to be moving the arms. It's strictly lower body. It's designed to be very low impact. The way it is set up is if you turn this knob all the way up, you're going to get more of a stair-stepper stride. So bigger range of motion, a little bit more glutes and hamstrings this way. It's also going to be a little more difficult. If you lower it, we're going to get more similar to a running stride, still a bit of an incline. You're going to be able to move a little bit quicker, not quite as full of range of motion. So we're going to hit the muscles a little differently. This is generally easier to keep a faster pace, but if you want a better workout, crank it up all the way. Woo!
Yeah.
I feel like that one's pretty